Yeah, people, we are Portland today and we are going to ask a couple questions. One main concern is the environmental problem in Jamaica. So we are going to see if we can get people to talk. All right? Today we're there with
Tish.
Miss
Yeah, Tish.
Miss Tish. What are some of the environmental problem or issue that you have in Jamaica and how can it be resolved?
All right. Prime example.
Mhm.
The garbage in the river. And my job takes me well, this is my first time in Portland,
Yeah.
but my job takes me all over the country. And this is an issue. Everywhere you go, you see these garbage litter on the waterfront, the coastline. And there are so many programs that I have become well accustomed to through NEPA. I'm aware of them now through NEPA. I have currently adopted a beach through NEPA's Adopt a Beach program. We actually have a date scheduled to clean up the Roselle, right across from the Roselle Falls in St. Thomas for the 26th of October. And as I said, this is an issue island wide. I just think people need to be more responsible in how they dispose of their garbage. I think the government, honestly, the parish council can install a few more garbage bins to give them other options, right? Yeah, and that's my major issue. I don't think about anything else where the country is concerned because I have no control over it, but I can control this. We can all control this.
Yeah, people no need to do better, man. Anybody like to big up?
Oh my, big up big up my whole church family. Roselle, Full Gospel Faith Cathedral. Big up my good friend Latoya, Leon. Big up mommy. Big up sister Rika. Big up brother Anvil, Laris. Oh my God. Big up everybody. Love you guys. We clean up at Roselle Falls. It is the 26th of October. It is a Sunday evening. We start at 3 and we need volunteers. The more the better. There's a lot of garbage there. Let us all just do what we can do to keep the environment clean. You can contact me at 562-6202. That's 876-562-6202. Name is Tish. Just call me. Let me know you want to volunteer and I'll have your name on the list. See you there.
Yeah, people, don't be evil. Don't separate the people. Watch views of the people. I'm out.